All right, so for your digital toolbar, Digital 1 warm-up today, you will go under Warm-ups and then go into Label Photoshop Tools. And here are your directions. Copy and paste a picture of this Photoshop tool into your digital workbook. You're going to put this under tab 1 and label it as Photoshop Essentials, and then open up Photoshop and find the tools and label them. And this way, I'm hoping that you guys will really understand which tools and which symbols go together, and it'll just be easier for you when we go into our Photoshop lesson. So what you want to do is come over to this picture, right click, and go to copy image. Now you're going to pull up your digital workbook, and you're going to go under tab 1 of table of contents, and right here for enter title, you are going to write Photoshop Essentials. And then when we go to tab 1, which is slide number 6, you're going to right click and paste. And here is your Photoshop tools. So now what you want to do is label each one. So what you can do is go to text box, and right next to each tool, you can write the name. And what you want to do to understand and label is go into Photoshop, and when you hover over it, you'll see that it says Move Tool. And here comes a little GIF that shows you what that tool does. So it's very important. And I want you to see and read if this is a move tool, moves a selection or layer. Next one, you'll see it says Rectangular Marquee Tool. Makes a selection in the shape of a rectangle. So you want to go back to your digital workbook and say, type in Rectangular Marquee Tool. So if you see these little arrows, if you click and hold, you'll find more tools under it. So if you don't see some of these tools in here, you may want to check, click and hold, and see if you can find it. Go from Move Tool all the way down to this Zoom tool, and then I also want you to label this and this. So if you hover over it, this one says Set Foreground Color, and this one says Set Background Color. And that is all you need to do.